We still have a severe threat for tomorrow. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center here puts us at the level 1 here, marginal threat. That's pretty much where we were today. The strongest severe weather was farther up to our north where they had a severe thunderstorm watch out, but we didn't have that, but we still saw a severe thunderstorm. Now, the impact of these storms could have gusty winds again, 60-mile-per-hour winds. That's a severe thunderstorm. We could have that again tomorrow afternoon. Lightning, we saw excessive lightning out there, and we'll see that again. Slight tornado threat, not out of the question, and heavy rain potential for sure out there too. That's what we got to look out for. Now watch weathercast. Those storms that are up to the north, dying out as they push down to the south there. So around 2 to 4 a.m. or so. And then we'll see some sunshine in the morning mixed with some clouds. And that'll lead to some thunderstorms about mid-afternoon for the Treasure Coast. A little bit later for the Palm Beaches dinner time hour. We'll be rocking and rolling once again with strong to even severe thunderstorms that'll move on through. And then finally by 8, 9 o'clock pushes off the coast and it's done. Tuesday we have, again, very high rain chances. So we're keeping the rain chances very high and even strong thunderstorms. Then we get back to the garden variety type of thunderstorm action by the end of the week. Tropics very quiet, so that's good news. Not expecting anything going on. Probably for the next week we'll be all right. Even way out there, one little tropical wave here, but that's about it. Boating forecast, well, the morning you'll be fine. By the afternoon, some gusty winds with those powerful storms moving through. 7-day forecast, highs in the low 90s, lows in mid 70s. The chance for the stronger type of thunderstorms, the first couple days of the week, and then the garden variety back to normal by the end of the week.